everybody, I'm Eydie and welcome to Garden of Eydie. I reverse my super high blood pressure eating garden food. No pills, just plants, and you can too. So join me in my garden and join me in my kitchen and we will show you all sorts of fabulous, delicious, healthy recipes that will heal whatever ails you. Hi everybody, today we are going to learn how to dice and slice onions. I love diced red onion in my salads, in my veggie burgers, don't you? So you probably already know how to do it, but I'll just show you how we do it at Garden of Eydie. So of course you take off one end and the other. Okay. I always like to have a bowl to get everything out of the way when we slice and dice. Then you cut it in half like this, you remove the skin. Okay? We'll just do half. So what you do is you first put your hand on top like this because you do not want to cut your hand. And you have to have a sharp knife. Really makes a difference. So we're just going to make, don't go all the way to the end, just almost. And we're just going to make 3 cuts like this. Some chefs don't do that. They just slice it and dice it just one way. Now again, we're going very thin slices and then you want to finely dice it. Now watch your fingers. Always tuck them in, especially that little finger. And then look, you have all this wonderful, beautiful dice. Now sometimes a recipe will call for really finely diced. So I just like to go over it a little bit more so you can get really finely diced red onion. Okay, next I'm going to teach you a little bit about what I like to do for caramelizing onions. Did you know that when you cut an onion halfway, like we did this way, through the middle, when you're using a white onion or a yellow onion to caramelize, when you cut it that way, it melts more. It doesn't hold its shape as much, and it doesn't caramelize as well. So usually when they call for sliced onion, it's because you're gonna caramelize it for a soup or a stew. So now I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's a trick that I learned in culinary school from one of our deans, Andre Soltner. He's that famous chef who owned Lutece in New York, one of the most revered restaurants of all time in New York City. So once again, we're gonna take off the ends, slice it down the middle like this. I loved watching him slice these onions. He was so fast. I mean, it's like, it was chop, 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 chop. I never did get that fast. You have to basically slice 1,000 onions a day to get that fast. Okay, so now you see, instead of slicing it and dicing it the way we did before, we're gonna turn it lengthwise. You can see how the onion has stripes. So you're just gonna go against those and you're gonna go very thinly. This is the lengthwise way. And when you caramelize them, they'll retain their shape. It's just an amazing thing and they get much sweeter and just really beautiful. And there you go, sliced onion for caramelizing. See you next time.